Now NCERT exercise 6.2 question number 5. In the given figure DE parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR, show that EF parallel to QR. So here you are using basic proportionality theorem, here you are using converse of basic proportionality theorem. So when you want to show two lines are parallel, one side and other intersecting line, parallel means we are using converse of BPT. So given DE parallel to OQ, DE in the line parallel to OQ. Okay. Now which triangle you are considering? You are considering this triangle, right? So these two are parallel, DE parallel to OQ. So immediately you can write BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Before that you write triangle name. So in triangle PQO. First triangle name is difficult. So in the parallel side you are writing selecting the triangle. So by basic you start from the vertex PE by EQ. So PE by EQ, right, equal to, start from the vertex, intersecting point to other vertex. Similarly P2 intersecting point is D, P2 intersecting point D, intersecting point to other vertex DO. So mark it as 1. Now it is given DF parallel to OR. DF this is parallel to OR. Now which is the triangle? This is the triangle. The triangle. Now arrow mark போட்டுக்கோ. இது just ஒரு distinguishக்காக நம்ம வந்து double arrow யூஸ் பண்றோம். That means they are parallel அப்படினு சொல்லி அர்த்தம். Now in triangle இங்கேயே கூட எழுதிக்கலாம். ஏன்னா first வந்து you are writing triangle name. So in triangle POR, DF parallel to QR. Therefore by basic proportionality theorem, vertex to intersecting point. So vertex to intersecting point D, intersecting point to other vertex. So DO. So PD by DO. Then on the side same vertex to intersecting point F. So PF. Then intersecting point to other vertex. So FR. ஏதாவது ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும் கண்டிப்பாக. PD by DO, PD by DO. They are equal. So mark it as 1. So from 1 and 2, இந்த ரெண்டு ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கிறனால அதை விட்டுரு. PE by EQ, PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. See, PE intersecting point, EQ other vertex, then PF intersecting point, FR, that is this and this, PF by FR. So definitely which implies in the triangle name in actual in triangle PQR and the பெரிய triangle எடுத்துக்கிறோம். So this one இதுவும் parallel இருக்கு. They are parallel னு அர்த்தம். So by converse of BPT, EF intersecting point E, intersecting point F. So EF parallel to QR.